start first. It's got Amp, Red Bull, Rockstar, Monster, Wired, and Kickstart.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, recording me real fast.
Okay.
Great mystical night. Alright, let me taste this one.
You gotta down it. You gotta down it. That's enough. Okay.
This is
Why do you say
Monster.
okay? I'm just saying okay.
Don't give me any answers.
No, I'm just saying okay. I'm just saying what you're doing. You gotta drink it all.
This is hiding my eyes.
He's stuck in it. Andrew, why don't you drink it all? Shut up. Just no, shut up.
You don't need to drink it all. I can just keep tasting it.
There's very little bit of that. I swear, it looks like spit. That's a little bit of that.
Okay. I know I already made the first one wrong. So,
The first one's wrong.
yeah, the first one's wrong, but you can't cheat like that. So I'm just gonna put anything here. I'm gonna put Ampere for right now.
Why? What do you mean you can't cheat?
Just don't worry.
Don't try to look at this shot. You know how hot is it?
Oh.
How hot is it, Andrew?
I honestly think you wasn't supposed to do that, but whatever.
Don't worry. Watch and see what I'm
But like I'm saying, you should just get them all at one time.
Wow, that one's very sour.
That's probably, I know which one that is. I know
Okay,
exactly which one that is.
I already know where I'm going with this, but I already messed up.
I guarantee you that the orange ones look sour.
No.
I know I'm right on this one.
That one's probably the easiest.
Oh, really?
Okay, now I get to switch it.
Okay, go ahead.
This one goes over here. Which one was I
See?
certain I was right about?
It was the first one. He was certain.
I was certain about the first
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. So you said that was a monster, the first one. Just do what you want.
Okay, guys, this is Seth Stevens recording now.
You done?
I think I'm done, yeah.
Okay.
How many did I get right?
Okay,
You ready?
Yeah. It's hard, guys. I swear to God, it's not as easy as you think.
So I figured you would have get the Red Bull one. Kickstart, you got kickstart
It
right.
was too sweet. I knew it right off the bat.
Rockstar.
Wired, you got wrong.
Wired, I got
Okay,
wrong.
so you
I
got one
point,
right.
1 point so far.
One right. Okay.
Don't mix them up
pick
yet.
up.
I got Red Bull, right?
So off.
Nope.
Oh, that's Rockstar.
This
Yeah.
is the Red Bull. You had it the first time.
So I got Amp wrong.
Yeah. This is Red Bull.
And I had to get Monster right. I knew it. So I got 2.
So you got two.
These
so
are
you
my
just,
winners.
2 out of 6.
You just got. Only thing you got right was the kickstart and the monster.
Yeah.
So you only got 2. Wow, man, I can't believe you missed the.
It's hard, bro. I promise you, it's not easy.
That's great.
Well, you never drink any of these either before?
I drank. The only 2 I didn't drink was this one and this one, but I drank all of them before.
Okay, I guess you want to sit.
Alright, somebody next. Who's next?
I want to do it too, guys.
Alright, Paul's next.
We'll use the good mystical night. It's time for Paul's turn.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Let me see.
It's not that easy, bro.
I thought you.
Yeah, you're only supposed to have 1 sip, but whatever, I guess. Okay.
That's that.
Okay. All right. Time for number 2.
Listen, go this way. Andrew, put you too much. You can taste it too good. Andrew.
No, that's that.
What, Andrew, what do you think? Give it too much?
I don't think so. It's not like you can tell. What?
It's starting to get a little weird.
See, I told you.
Ugh. Does your stomach hurt? How hot is it and gross?
Okay, so these are your 2 choices, but those right there. What do you think about the third one?
I never tasted these street.
Move, Jacob, your big body.
Shit.
Jacob.
Okay, you don't have that much time to think.
Yeah.
You have to pick.
As long as you get more than 2, you beat Andrew.
I told you, it's time. Yeah, all you gotta do is get 3, man, and you win.
I don't know what those
Oh, you know
are.
what? We'll even do a Frankin round after.
I don't even know what those are. What those are.
Oh, yeah, that'll be sick.
We'll do a Frankin round.
And we gotta take the taste on to get in.
Oh, I messed up that one.
She goes.
Oh yeah. I messed up that one too.
See, it freaks you out.
Be honest,
I know how to cheat. Paul's looking at the color.
Okay, I know I messed that one up, but
You can always switch to my glass.
No, but that's pure cheating.
No, if they do that, it doesn't go morning.
There's no sensation that one though.
Dog.
that one's.
You're red. So you
Okay.
messed up. You can't switch it. You gotta leave it. Not so obvious.
Try to see how much.
I'm just gonna switch it and think which one is which.
Alright, go ahead, switch.
And I see that's red, so I'm not even gonna take that point because I know that's
Okay.
red. I think that one's right. I know this. I want to switch this one. Whatever. I guess I'm gonna switch it. Just don't count one.
Yeah. Yeah, but no, that's cheating though.
He doesn't have to count 1 point, so whatever he
Count
gets,
1
just
point,
don't count
yeah.
that point.
Okay, I think I'm good.
Alright, go ahead, check your cups. First one is
Red Bull.
Red Bull. You got that one right. Second one is.
Shit, that was supposed to put the Rockstar there. Son of a bitch.
Alright, so 1 point so far.
Wired. I got that
You got
right.
wired right.
This was Monster. That's what I was supposed to
Alright.
switch. Was those two? I got it confused, man.
So far you got
You
2.
got that one right there.
Amp. I knew that was
Alright,
it.
3.
So 3. Don't count this one.
Yeah, you got 3.
points on
Alright, you
three,
beat me
so-
by 1 point.
If I would have switched it right, I would have 4.
Well, too bad you didn't, because you cheated.
No, because when you want to change them, it freaks you
I
out
know.
because you forgot which cup was which.
Alright,
Hold up.
308 set is up.
You know how we.
No, it's funny because Jacob.
2017 GMC SLE 4-door 5.3 342s.
Tattoos on deck.
Tattoos on deck.
Alright.
Fast truck, big truck.
Taylor. Nah,
I made a mistake. I made a mistake on it.
The fast boys make mistakes now. Their first decisions.
No.
Come on, are those the same shots too?
Yes, all our lips touch those straws.
Who's else? James loves his girls.
No, James didn't straws.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh shit.
You sound like shit. Alright, final thoughts. You can switch.
Nope, I'm good.
You're good? Alright. First one is Rockstar and.
It's Rockstar.
Okay.
Monster.
Oh
motherfucker.
shit.
That's 2. Amp. No, so that's 3. Wait, what was this one?
That was wired.
Kickstart.
Alright, you got that wrong.
Wired.
There's just
Red
three.
Bull.
You got Red Bull right.
So you got 4.
Oh shit, James is in the lead.
That's not what messed me up because I
How
know
did you taste
I thought the wired was a little bit too fruity to be the monster, the Mountain Dew, so I figured the Mountain Dew was
I
that
really,
one.
really thought I was gonna get King Sleep. Okay, Jacob, turn around. We're just keeping you the same cups, bro.
I couldn't swear I had a clean one too.
You probably gotta add more of juice.
Guys, let's roll for Jacob.
It's Seth's turn, 308s,
Wait, let me
5.3,
fix this.
2017.
No, leave it like that already. Put 'em.
Alright, go for the first one, Seth. I don't even know what they
I
are.
don't even know either.
So, go.
Oh, this is embarrassing.
Go ahead, go for the first sip.
You see the color on that one?
I swear it
That's
isn't.
actually orange.
You can take another sip.
No, it's one of these two, but I'm trying to think which one is it.
Who's going after this set?
James or Jacob? I don't know.
Who wants to go next? You?
Man, you guys probably pulled a prank, guaranteed.
No, we didn't. We didn't.
This is the new one. I never saw that one.
No, it's not. Just don't look at him.
Well, yeah, stop looking at the cups, cheater.
No, it's not the hot syrup. How gross are they? Are they real hot syrup?
Did you drink 2 at one time just now?
I'm dying to do it. I'm so nervous. I don't know what it tastes like.
I know me too.
No, what's so funny about this?
There's nothing.
Look at James and drink it. Look at James and drink it.
At that moment, that milk he fucked up.
I was going for a clean sweep.
What?
now.
Alright, so far he thinks the first one's Kickstart, second one Rockstar, third one Amp, fourth one Wired.
This one's probably a Frankin teeth.
Makes no fucking sense.
Put one there.
Yeah, you gotta put something there, bro.
I know that one's on it. That's what shit. I swear to God, this one.
I swear to God, my God. That part is he was in front of us the whole time. Alright. Do you want to? You don't have to switch him if you don't want to.
No, I have to. I wait.
Switching Wired and Monster. And looks like he's gonna leave Kickstart.
So that's what you're going with?
Man, wait. I'm trying to think.
You got 5 seconds.
1, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2.
Okay.
You're good? Alright, first one.
You got that right.
Kickstart.
Alright,
I
Kickstart.
swear to God, I didn't see the red juice. I just tasted.
Second one is.
Rockstar, you got that right.
Shit, he's gonna beat me too, Chilajal. Second one.
Red Bull. No,
Red Bull.
I could have sworn that was Red Bull.
Amped, you got that wrong.
Alright, so far he's only got 2 points like me.
Wired.
Shit, he got Wired.
And
So 3 points. You
Monster.
and Seth tied.
Wow.
Alright.
I could have sworn that tastes like Red Bull. I guess.
Final thoughts. Is it as hard? Is it as hard as I said it was?
Kinda. No, I could have won that. I just didn't want to.
Okay. Do you wanna?
All right, who's going next?
Yeah, wait. Let me say something to you too.
Hey, should we do it?
Hey, move all these over here.
I can't stand Amp. I knew that one was Amp.
Hey, Paul's cheating for the Frankin round.
No, it does. I
No, I'm
know
trying to
it.
taste them. Let's taste the ones I never tasted before.
All right.
But then again,
Don't grab the cups.
I never had.
I never drank a lot of those though. That's
None of us did either.
None of us did either. I never knew why.
I only had 3 out of
All
those.
of them. I had
Four.
Red Bull, Monster, and Rockstar. That's the only ones I had.
Why
I only had Red Bull, and Amp and Monster. See, it's not that easy.
Chill a little bit. Are you serious?
Okay, his first choice is Monster.
To get this on
Oh, I'm not drinking shit. Chill a little bit. You put?
Put the straw deeper, man.
It is. There's nothing in here.
See, now you got a good taste.
There's literally nothing.
Okay, we'll turn it. Well, whatever. Here's the next one. Keep your eyes closed, buddy.
Oh.
I think this is getting to the brink.
What happened?
Good for you. That's not cool.
Okay, so fourth one is Red Bull.
Alright.
What happened?
She, I was cussing him.
What?
Oh, what the hell was that? You sound like you want to pass out.
I almost threw up on that one too. I know which one that is. You hated every single one.
The last one, I swear I was thinking.
I can switch them, right?
Yeah.
So serious.
Yeah, I can see it.
You should never get a red one, man. It's too easy.
That wasn't it. You fucked up.
Alright. Yeah, switch
You're
them
good?
up.
You messed up, Jacob. You had the right one the first time.
Okay.
Second time.
Monster,
Alright, Monster.
He
right?
knows that was right.
Amp.
Oh shit.
Okay,
Oh, that's
one.
one. Rockstar.
Okay,
That's one. Red Bull, you got right. That's
two.
two. 3,
He got a 4. Me and him tied.
4.
Shit. Alright, so this guy and this guy is.
Well, I really